Hey there. For this workout, you're going to need a pair of dumbbells, an incline bench, and a flat bench or a box to step up on. So first of all, when you grab these dumbbells, you want to be safe. So what I do is I actually stand up, set them on my knees, lean back, and to get them in position, you just kick one, kick the other, and you've got them up in this position. So you can start out with dumbbell incline press, 10 of them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is incline dumbbell curl. So you're gonna let your arms hang back. Make sure your shoulders are back. Brace your abs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next one's called a dumbbell incline Skullcrusher, but don't take it literally. Here, you're gonna keep your elbows in one spot, bring the bells back behind you, and it's extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the bell safely back down. We're going to do a lunge. So you just pop yourself up, turn to the side, and it's a static lunge. So you can get in the lunge position, and it's down and up. Graze your knee on the floor. Don't bang it on the floor. 2, 3, 4. Doing 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is a shoulder raise high pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep the dumbbells in your hand. Find your box or bench. Just going to step up on it. Here, place a foot, make sure it's sturdy. 1, I just leave my foot up there. 2, 3, doing 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one is bench leg raises. So you can lay back on your bench, hold on to the sides, or you don't have to. You can hold on up top, legs straight. 1, 2. Make it a little harder. You can pop your hips up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This workout's 5 rounds. Enjoy.